Hi, this is Tim from latest3dsgames.com, and I'm here with another unboxing, and this time it is, of course, as you can see, Mario and Sonic at the London 2012 Olympic Games. Now it's officially out on Friday, which is the 10th of February, and I've managed to get mine a couple of days earlier, again, from my local game shop. So let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, and we're going to start with Sonic and Mario, or Mario and Sonic, whichever way you want to go. And as you can see, I've started off my unwrapping, as I'm not the best unwrapper. And as I said, this one, as I move everything out of the way and adjust my camera, is officially out in just kind of a couple of days' time in the UK, similar time in the US. Already out on the Nintendo Wii, and of course it is Olympic game title. And if you look on the back, you can see there's actually going to be 50 different events, which is good news because there's loads and loads of variety in there. And it just says go for gold in exciting new events, and you can team up in all new epic story adventure. Now, looking at the multiple player options, doesn't seem to be any comprehensive online options, although you can play local online and also download play. So if you've got people in the close vicinity, you may still obviously be able to play multiplayer. It's not looking like you're going to be able to do anything like worldwide play, apart from it's going to record your scores, top scores, etc. So inside the box, and Nintendo points are there, of course. We've got our instructions. We've got our usual precautionary leaflet, just to keep us in check. And of course we've got the game cartridge. So we're just going to have a quick flick in and through the instructions, and have a quick look at that now. So just flicking through, it's giving a guideline for communication, so definitely if you've got a friend around, you're going to be able to play multiplayer. And it's just giving a bit of history on London there, starting up. So you've got single player, multiplayer, local play and download play, so no big internet options unfortunately. Story mode, record log, which you can do online rankings there, and options. And then you've got all your settings. You've got your basic controls, of course. You've got your game controls, motion controls, all your different characters, and they look like there's a fair few ones in different categories: heroes, girls, tricksters, wild ones, challengers, Olympic mode, highlight match, medley match, and there is 50 events, so there is lots there. And it does look like it's going to be a really fun game actually. Loads to do and loads to come back to. Just a shame there's no full multiplayer. There's story mode there with episodes. And there's your record log, which you'll be able to swap online, but that's about it, I'm afraid. So, that's the Mario unboxing. Okay, so I'm just going to have a quick look, very briefly, at some of the Mario and Sonic Olympic game, London 2012, and it's just saving some data, and you can see the symbol come up on our screen, published by Sega, or Sega if you prefer. Sega. Okay, that's pretty loud. Turn the volume down. Use the touch screen. Okay, so you can add new data at the bottom, which we're going to do. So we're just going to put in a random name. Ooh, no, not mobile. And just going to 10 done from the Americas. I'll be from the USA. So it's just a quick look at the game. Got a bit of a news flash. There's about 50 different ones, so quite a lot of touchscreen operations. And we're going to go out to the main stadium. Use buttons to play. 100 meters. Okay. I can't see which buttons because I can't actually read it. Okay. So start, hold the A button, then release. Tap the A button repeatedly. Okay. I'm not sure this is going to go well. I'm not sure this is going to go well. But we'll have a quick look.
On your marks.
Goodness, well, I'm not even sure which one. Although I am Mario.
Ready, foul!
Whoops. Yep, I got the hang of the A button. Ah! No way! Disqualified. Shocking. Can I play like... Okay, whoops. Tap left and right on the touch screen. Okay, this is not going to go well. Okay, so I've got to touch... Oh dear, it is flat.
Ready, go!
Okay, so this is a little bit easier for me, and I couldn't cheat. I'm going too fast, and I'm last. Okay, so disqualified and last. Just a fantastic start there. Let's just have a quick look at another event. It can't get any worse. It can't get any worse. Final round, warm-up medley. This is just a warm-up, thank goodness. Okay. Oh, judo, I'm just going to be awesome at that. Throw, enter display command. Oh, dearie me. Not much chance of that. I can't even remember the buttons, where they are in the doing. Okay. I still managed to lose to Luigi. I did actually press the right combination there, but clearly not very well. Oh goodness. Okay, come on. I am tapping faster. Okay, I'm actually going to do something. Whoa. I've actually got a half a point. Shocking. Okay. Ooh. Whoops. Not paying any attention to the screen. Ah, look at that. Right, so that's just a very, very quick demo of a few of the games. That's just a warm-up medley on Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. So I'm going to do a full gameplay video for you, of course. It's just to add to this unboxing, just to give you a little taster. And you can see I'm just shockingly good at it already. Disqualified last, but I did manage to pull off a couple of moves, or one move, in the judo. So this has been Tim at Latest 3DS Games. Thanks for watching.